Want to recover a deleted story on Instagram? You can easily restore your recently deleted stories with just a few simple steps. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you on how to recover deleted stories on Instagram. Be sure to stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. When we talk about deleted stories on Instagram, we're referring to photos or videos you've removed from your story after posting. The good news is you can restore these stories within 30 days of deletion. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. First, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Then, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Your Activity. In the Your Activities section, look for Recently Deleted. This area stores your recently deleted content, including stories. Tap on it to see your deleted stories. Next, go to the Stories tab, which shows all your recently deleted stories from the past 30 days. Find the story you want to recover and tap on it to view it in full screen. Now, look for the three dots or More menu in the bottom right corner. A pop-up will appear. Select Restore. You'll get another confirmation pop-up. Just tap Restore to confirm and bring your story back. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your recently deleted story on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more tips.